Due to global warming, the temperature of the earth will increase and it will adversely affect the agriculture sector. But the continuous increase in population requires more food. Therefore, there is a need to increase agricultural production in adverse environmental conditions. That is why it is important to adopt climate-smart agriculture. Sambandh, a leading volunteer organization of Odisha, has started climate-smart agriculture with 12 villages under 3 retreats in Mayurbhanj district. The project envisages better water management to combat drought-induced erosion losses due to irregular rainfall. In this sequence, stone dams have been constructed to control the flow of rainwater. Similarly, by constructing drainage point recharge pit (DPRP) to store the rainwater, the water can be conserved and the groundwater can be increased. Diversion base irrigation (DBI) projects are being built from natural water sources in this area and the water is being diverted and invested in agriculture. Apart from this, wells and ponds have been dug in different lakes and crops can be irrigated from them. Water wastage can be prevented by mulching method. Eco-friendly seeds used by our ancestors based on our climate were recovered and used in agriculture. As a result, the possibility of resilient agriculture was created. In pest management, farmers have been advised to produce crops through biopest by abandoning chemical fertilizers and pesticides that affect the environment. As a result, agricultural production will increase at low cost and the environment can also be protected from pollution. Appropriate measures have been taken for proper marketing of the produced organic agricultural products and organic markets have been established and farmers have been assured of paying the right price for the produced products. This initiative of Sambandh has created a possibility to create climate-smart villages with food and nutrition security for the villagers and a clean environment.